Hi friends! I hope you're all doing great and enjoying the Christmas holidays. In this video, I want to introduce a potential airdrop for the Phantom Wallet. Keep in mind, this airdrop isn't confirmed yet, but it's definitely better to try it than to miss out. So stay with me until the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new airdrops. Alright, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, make sure your wallet is updated. This is a crucial step, so don't skip it. If your wallet isn't updated, make sure to update it. The first thing you need to do is create an account. Follow the steps shown in the video. Enter your name or any username you like, and then choose an avatar for your profile. After that, click on the options. Keep in mind, you might encounter some errors along the way, but don't worry, just keep trying. Once your account is created, you'll land on the main page. Now, the next step is to search for the ID of the person you want to follow in the search bar at the top. Find the person and click on the Follow button. Also, don't forget to go to your account settings and make sure your account is set to public so others can find you by searching your ID. Feel free to share your IDs in the comments so we can follow each other and improve our chances of a better airdrop. Just remember, this airdrop is not guaranteed yet. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of the video. I hope we can all benefit from this task. See you in the next video.